Hi everyone, this is Ibrahim Babatunde from Dynamically Analytics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make use of filter dynamically. What many people use to is to do their filter manually, and this is time consuming. And to optimize your time, because we don't have that time as a data analyst, and we have to do everything that can make your data look professional and in a way that is not going to waste much of your time. Now, this is what people usually do manually whenever they want to filter. Let's assume that I want to know the sale we made in 2015 and category that belong to clothing. Okay, you will come here and you press Ctrl Shift L, that is shortcut for filter. Then I come here, I just maybe 20, let me deselect everything. Then I pick 2016. Okay, then let me come here. Let's assume that I need only bike. I pick bike, then I press OK like this. You can see I have the bike for 2016. If you need it for 2015, you have to go back and select them. That does not make much sense, but there's a way of doing this where everything will go dynamically without stressing yourself. Now, let me unfilter it, Ctrl Shift L back. Now, I need the unique year I have. If you look at it, you might not be able to know the total number of unique year you have, but there's a good function in Microsoft Excel which we can use to solve that problem for us, and that is unique. Uh, if you don't have latest version of Microsoft Excel, you might not be able to use this unique. Then I come to here, Control Shift pick down and you press enter button, you can see I have 3 years, which is 2017 to 15 to 2015 to 2017. Okay, now I also need the same thing for category. I will do the same thing, equal to unique. You will see how I'm going to apply this later. Okay, now you come here, Control Shift pick down, press enter button, you can see I have 4 categories for our product. Now, you will now come here to do something so that whenever you want to pick anything, it can be very easier for you to pick. Okay, I've already made something here. Okay, now you just need to come to data. You come to data here. From data, you come to data validation. You come to data validation, then you will pick list. You can see it is already on list, but you can pick it, just pick it. That is the walkthrough. Then let me delete this. You can make reference to it. Once you make reference to this point, then you will now come to this year, pick out this year like this, and you press OK, enter button. Okay, the years are already here. You can see you can just start picking them. Then I want to do the same thing for this guy as well, which is category. Now to do the same thing, you can apply it, go to data, then you come to data validation here, you will come to here, you will pick on list, as you can see it, list, then you make reference as we did the other time. Okay, let me finish it. Just make reference to it like this, then you press enter button. Okay, now you can now come here to apply your logic. Okay, I'll just come here now, say equal to filter. I want to filter instead of filter manually. Then you can just apply this filter. What is my array? My array is all this guy. Pick all this guy down. That is, this array means I want all my columns. Okay, if you want only 2 columns, you can pick it from A2 to B76 and so on. Then you press command. Then our filter condition now. What will be our filter condition? Sorry, our filter condition. I don't need any function here. Okay, I will just make reference to my year. This year, you make reference to it, breakdown is equal to, then anything that you see from my list, anything you see under this year, then I have to put this inside the bracket because it has to do with 2 conditions, and those 2 conditions must be met before we have result. It is and. Okay, we now say multiply by, you open your parentheses again, then product category, you pick everything down, is equal to whatever we have up there again. anything that you select from here again, then we need to close our parentheses here and I press enter. You can see that I have cap error here. The reason why I have this cap error is because we have not choose anything. Let's now start. Let's choose 2015, and what is the product we need? Let's say I need clothing. Okay, you can see we have it. This is all clothes we sold in year 2015. As you can see, if you want to compute the average based on this now, you can just compute the average sales. You can do that easily. And if you need any other insight you want to bring out from this, then you can easily bring it out. Now, if you still want to change it, instead of doing it manually, as I said, maybe 2017 sales, you can see this is the clothing in year 2017, as you can see it. And if you want to change it to another component, let's say we need this component here, you can see we have all this and everything is fine now. As you can see, you can hide these two guys, these two columns, so that it doesn't show in your analysis. And once you highlight it, you just right click it on it like this and you press hide. As you can see it, they have gone. Now, let's now assume that what you need here is just this three column. You need year, you need the category, and you need the sales amount. Okay, let's assume that we don't need this guy. Okay, there are two ways of doing this, but I'm going to apply just column function to do this. I will just modify my function here, and I will just pick choose column. Okay, then I come here. This is my array. To put it comma, then what are the columns I need here? I need column 1, comma. What else? I need column 2 and I need column 4. You will see it is going to exclude the product name now. Let me enter. Can you see it? I have this. As you can see, this is already in percentage, but I want it to be with others. I can just come here, come home, and pick this format painter. Then it's going to turn it to normal value. As you can see it, instead of going back to number general and change to general, you can make use of this format painter, and it's going to format them the way we have others. I hope you have learned two or more things from this video. If you do so and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, and therefore to do so, that is only price you can pay for all this knowledge. Till next time we meet, I remain Ibrahim Babatunde for Data Tech Analytics. Bye for now.